What is this? Jack in the Box. Crispy chicken Caesar wrap. Ooh, it looks crispy. It looks crispy, huh? Okay. Smells fire. This is the Jack in the Box crispy chicken Caesar wrap. This is their chicken, one of their chicken wraps. They got the crispy wraps. They got the grilled wraps. They got a spicy wrap. They got a crispy chicken Caesar wrap. They got a classic. And they got the same as well for all the grilleds, I believe. This is my first time trying it. Dark Wahlberg reviews. Let's get in here. Oh. Yeah, crispy. Okay. Nice and crispy. Gotta love that. Let's get this bite with all the chicken Caesar, or the Caesar dressing. These are fire. See what's got? It's got the crispy chicken. There's tomatoes, lettuce, chicken Caesar. I meant to say Caesar dressing. Gosh. I keep calling it chicken Caesar when it's Caesar dressing. Crispy chicken Caesar wrap from Jack in the motherfucking crack. The Jack Pack. There's a lot of chicken in there. For the price, thumbs up. Let's get a 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. The Caesar dressing is flavorful. Doesn't taste cheap. Nice amount of chicken in this thing. One of them is a good snack, in between meal snack. But yeah, one's doing the job right now. One's doing the job, and I like it. 7 out of 10, folks. This is the crispy chicken wrap. Jack wrap. Crispy chicken Caesar Jack wrap. From Jack in the Box. This is Dark Wahlberg Reviews. Thank you guys for tuning in, tapping in. Hit that like, subscribe, tap that bell notification, turn it to all so you don't miss any content from Dark Wahlberg Reviews or DROKU. Peace.